How to be funny in any conversation. In a world where conversations can make or break relationships, the ability to inject humor into dialogue is more than just a skill, it's a superpower. Whether you're navigating the complexities of professional networking, flirting, or simply engaging in casual banter, humor can elevate your social standing, making you more likable, trustworthy, and, surprisingly, even perceived as more intelligent. This guide, inspired by profound insights and practical advice from experts in the field, aims to demystify the mechanics of humor and provide you with the tools to become the heart and soul of any conversation. Before we dive into the types of humor and their applications, let's pause to consider the profound impact humor has on our interactions. This understanding serves as the bedrock for our exploration, highlighting the necessity of humor in creating meaningful connections. The science of laughter. Why humor matters. Humor is not merely a way to elicit laughs. It's an intricate dance of cognition and social skill, a key that unlocks doors to deeper connections and mutual understanding. Imagine it as a powerful catalyst, weaving through our interactions to dissolve barriers and build bridges, not just entertaining but enriching our social tapestry. Jeffrey Hall, a discerning researcher from the University of Kansas, embarked on a fascinating journey into the heart of humor's impact on interpersonal dynamics. His study, A Beacon of Insight, unveiled a striking truth. Those who master the art of humor don't just capture attention. They command respect and admiration, casting a long shadow over their more stoic peers. Hall's meticulous observations shed light on the magnetic allure of the humorous mind. Individuals adept in the subtle art of humor were not only embraced with open arms by their peers but were also crowned with the halo of intelligence. This revelation peels back layers of social interaction, revealing humor as a vital cog in the machinery of perception and relationship building. It's a testament to the power of laughter to alter how we are seen and how we see each other, transcending the mere exchange of pleasantries to touch something deeper within us. In this light, humor emerges as a linchpin in the architecture of social relations, a beacon that guides us through the complexities of human emotion and connection. It's a reminder that to laugh is to share a piece of our humanity, weaving a shared narrative that strengthens the fabric of our collective existence. Through humor, we find a common ground, a mutual space where intellect and emotion intertwine, showcasing the profound impact of a well-timed joke not just on our moods, but on the very essence of our interpersonal bonds. With a clear understanding of humor's importance, we're now poised to explore its various forms. Each type of humor, from misdirection to self-enhancing and affiliative, offers unique advantages and applications. As we dissect these styles, consider how each aligns with your personality and situations you frequently encounter. Mastering types of humor. To wield humor effectively, one must first understand its various forms and how they can be adapted to different audiences and situations. Misdirection humor. Misdirection humor is akin to a magician's most captivating trick, where the audience is led down a familiar path only to be whisked away to an entirely unexpected destination. It's this delightful detour, the sudden pivot from the foreseen to the unforeseen, that ignites a burst of laughter, a genuine spark of joy in the art of the unexpected. This style is not merely about catching the audience off guard. It's a showcase of the humorist's agility, a testament to their ability to dance on the edge of anticipation and then leap into the unknown. For those dipping their toes into the vast ocean of comedic expression, misdirection serves as the perfect launchpad. It's where timing and perception blend seamlessly, allowing the speaker to weave a narrative that veers off course in the most wonderfully surprising way. By mastering this art, the humorist doesn't just tell a joke. They craft an experience, turning every conversation into an opportunity for connection, laughter, and the sheer delight of the unexpected. Misdirection humor, in essence, transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary, making it an invaluable tool for anyone eager to sprinkle a little magic into their dialogues. Self-enhancing humor. Self-enhancing humor is a masterful dance with one's own shadows, turning slips and stumbles into a canvas of laughter. It's where vulnerability meets resilience, inviting us to embrace our foibles and missteps with a wide grin and open arms. This humor style goes beyond mere jest. It's a declaration of strength, a testament to the human spirit's ability to find light in the darkness. When we laugh at ourselves, we're not just deflecting awkwardness. We're building bridges, showing the world that it's okay to be imperfect. This openness not only disarms tension but also cloaks us in an aura of confidence and warmth, making us magnets for positive connections. By choosing to be the architect of our own amusement, we celebrate our humanity, weaving our flaws into a narrative of growth and resilience. Self-enhancing humor, then, is not just about making light of life's pitfalls. It's about rising above them, transforming every misadventure into an opportunity for connection, laughter, and a deeper appreciation of the journey. It's a powerful reminder that at the heart of every giggle and guffaw is the echo of our shared human experience, resonating with the beautiful truth that to laugh at oneself is to love oneself. Affiliative humor. Affiliative humor acts as the heartbeat of social harmony, weaving individuals together into a cohesive tapestry of camaraderie and mutual understanding. It's a warm, inclusive embrace that melts barriers and invites everyone into the circle of laughter. This type of humor is the social alchemist's dream, turning strangers into friends and strengthening the bonds that unite teams. It's about more than just shared chuckles. It's a demonstration of emotional intelligence, an intuitive dance with the nuances of human connection. When wielded with care, affiliative humor becomes a beacon of positivity, lighting up conversations and transforming mundane interactions into memorable moments of genuine connection. It's the secret ingredient for breaking the ice and building bridges, showing that humor can be a mirror reflecting our shared humanity. By engaging in this playful exchange, we signal our willingness to relate, to understand, and to welcome others into our world. Affiliative humor, in essence, is the art of building relationships through laughter, proving that the simplest way to anyone's heart is through a shared smile, a gentle tease, or a communal giggle, making it an indispensable tool in the art of connection. Strategies for incorporating humor into conversations. Understanding the types of humor is just the beginning. The real magic lies in applying this knowledge in real-time conversations. Here are some strategies to help you seamlessly integrate humor into your interactions. Context is key. Navigating the nuances of humor is akin to being a chef in the kitchen of conversation, knowing exactly which flavors blend harmoniously for the occasion. The laughter that lights up a room full of friends might not sparkle quite the same in the boardroom. It's an artful dance, adjusting the tempo of your comedic timing to match the rhythm of the room. Whether it's the casual banter among close companions or the more measured jests in a professional setting, understanding your audience is key. Mastering this delicate balance ensures that your humor always adds warmth and color to the tapestry of your interactions, never out of place but always leaving a memorable impression. Observation and adaptation. In the delicate art of humor, the audience's reactions are your compass, guiding you through the landscape of laughter. Observe their smiles, the spark in their eyes, or the occasional quiet that follows a punchline. Each response, whether roaring laughter or contemplative silence, is a rich vein of insight, offering you a roadmap to fine-tune your comedic craft. Embrace these moments as opportunities for growth, allowing every chuckle and pause to sharpen your wit and timing. In this dance of dialogue and laughter, every feedback is a stepping stone towards becoming a more adept and versatile humorist. Timing and delivery. The magic of a well-told joke lies not just in its content but in the rhythm of its reveal. Timing and delivery are the heartbeats of humor, with the power to elevate a simple joke into a memorable moment. Consider the artful pause before the punchline, a space where anticipation builds, and the audience leans in, hanging on your every word. Coupled with a demeanor of ease and confidence, this deliberate pacing transforms the delivery into an experience, heightening the impact of the punchline. Practice this dance of words and silences, and watch as your humor leaves an indelible mark on the canvas of your conversations. Self-awareness and authenticity. Embracing your unique comedic voice is akin to wearing a perfectly tailored suit, it just fits. Authenticity in humor acts as a beacon, drawing others into your world with its genuine warmth and relatability. When humor flows naturally from your persona, it strikes a chord, resonating on a frequency that feels both personal and universal. Resist the temptation to don a mask of forced jokes or mimic styles that don't align with your essence. True comedic power lies in the courage to be yourself, letting your genuine sense of humor shine through, and in doing so, creating connections that are as real as your laughter. Continuous learning and experimentation. Humor, much like a fine wine, matures beautifully with time and practice. Embarking on a journey of comedic exploration opens up a world of possibilities, inviting you to dabble in a variety of styles, from the subtle to the outright slapstick. Draw inspiration from the masters of comedy, absorbing the nuances of their craft, and dare to venture beyond the familiar boundaries of your comfort zone. Each attempt, each laugh, and even the silence, serves as a stepping stone towards refining your wit. Embrace the process, for in the realm of humor, the path of discovery is where the true joy lies. Conclusi. Integrating humor into your conversations is an art that enhances your interpersonal relationships, making you more likable, relatable, and perceived as intelligent. By mastering the different types of humor and applying the strategies outlined in this guide, you can elevate your conversational skills, ensuring that your interactions are not only memorable but also enjoyable for everyone involved. Remember, the journey to becoming adept at humor is a process of continuous learning, experimentation, and, most importantly, fun. If this journey through the art of humor has sparked a smile or ignited a laugh, don't keep it to yourself. Like, comment with your own humorous tales or tips, and subscribe to our channel for more laughter-filled content. Your engagement not only supports us but keeps the comedy coming. Join our community today.